Yo guys, what's going on? Thank you for checking out the video. As you can see by Big Tonk dancing here, we're hyped right now. It's the last night in Vegas. We weren't gonna ride, but we said fuck it, let's ride. So we're going to the Sphere. We're hosting a little mini ride. We got Chevy Stunts here, Will's inside, BK's over there. We're gonna go fucking tear up the city. Alright guys, so we're headed over to the Sphere right now, which I'm really excited to see close up at night. We haven't really seen it close up at night, but I'm gonna try and do my best to somewhat preserve battery because I'm not at fully 100%, and I don't think the police here love us down on the strip, and my brake pads are like almost metal to metal, so I'm gonna wait till we get down there at least, I think. So okay, we finally made it. Here's the big old ball. I think we're just gonna rip the strip. I've just become the group leader and I have no clue about this city, but we're just gonna rip it around. We'll let this car go. Go! Go! Oh, you don't want to go? Then we're going. And we're outside. I'm taking us straight to the strip, baby. Andale! Come on, everybody! Let's go! Caesar's Palace. Yep. Too. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Oh, this is great. Bringing electric and gas together. This is pandemonium, and I love it. We got a nice little random pack. Where y'all headed? Y'all know the area? We outside. All right, fuck it. We're on with you. We're going to like the west side. The stand-up circles. Let's go. What the fuck is this guy doing? What the fuck is this guy doing? Vegas! We saw the sign. There's the strip. Alright, so quick 7-Eleven stop, and now we're going to France, baby. We're gonna go see the Eiffel Tower. We picked up Ryder and Jay. Are these bitches not going through these lights? Why does no one run these lights, bro? They're all waiting. Straight! Straight! We got another random dirt bike. All right, we gotta go left at Paris Drive. All right, where's the Eiffel Tower at, people? Is this Paris Drive? Yeah, it is. The Eiffel Tower should be over here. I don't know how I missed this before, but there she is, the Eiffel Tower. There she is in all of her glory. Let's see a wheelie! Ride the tires, come on! Let's go. Hot your tire. Oh shit!
Damn, he got yanked off his shit then.
Damn. You good? Yeah! You one-upped me, actually. Hello, brother. We need a what? Let's go.
What are you getting?
No, this is a famous pawn shop from a TV show.
Pawn Star? It's John Lee.
Yeah. You get a nice photo, dude?
I'm about it. I'm gonna put my bike up in front of that, dude.
Is that your way of saying get the fuck out the way?
Yeah. Pass up all this weekend?
Yeah.
That's probably why I didn't notice you.
Yeah.
You have an exit drink, right?
Yeah.